Hello, I am going to show you how to fix your missing stone, your jewelry. This is, for example, two pieces missing stone, one of here, another here. This hole you should clean with toothpick, for example, and you need a transparent nail polishing, and you need to have stone. This stone must match. If it is big, you cannot put the hole. You need to get stone with transparent polish. You can take little bit. If it is too much, you can remove. And then, as you can see, you just put on the hole. Another one. You just push the stone. But you need to get stone correct size because it is shape. The heel parts must be down. I'm trying to make zoom. The top part you need to catch stone and then push. Here is it needs about 3, 4, 5 days, and it's not going to fall out again. Thanks for watching.